Welcome dear students and friends to this channel. So today we will discuss merge sort algorithm, which also comes under divide and conquer strategy. So this is an important sorting algorithm. So let us start merge sort. So what is given? So the given thing input is an array of n elements and the output is sorted array of n elements. Okay. So just take as an example, like the input is 20, 15 and 7 and 40. Let us suppose these four elements. Then what will be the output? Output will be then 7, 15, 20 and 40. Okay. So this is our input and this is going to be our output in that case. Okay, so an array of n elements, so that is input. So it may be in any order, random order, and output must be sorted array of n elements. Okay, so what is the strategy here? Just pay attention. So this is the strategy. So because this is a divide and conquer strategy, so always there are three steps: divide, conquer and combination. So a is what? A is the array, and this n is what? This is going to be the size of array. This is going to be size of array. So this is your array and this is size of array. Okay, so first divide step says that divide the given array into two equal size sub arrays. गिवन एरे को हमें दो इक्वल साइज सब एरेज में डिवाइड करना है. लेट अस सपोज 100 एलिमेंट्स हैं अगर एरे में, तो उसको हमें 50-50 के दो एलिमेंट दो एरेज में इक्वल साइज में डिवाइड करना है. ओके, देन सेकंड स्टेप इज व्हाट? कॉन्कर. सो व्हाट इज द कॉन्कर स्टेप? सो कॉन्कर स्टेप सेज दैट अप्लाई रिकर्सिव प्रोसीजर ऑन सब एरेज टू गेट द सॉल्यूशन. ओके, मींस जो हमने 50-50 का सब एरे बनाया है, उन सब एरेज को रिकर्सिवली हम अगेन कॉल करेंगे और उसको सॉल्व करेंगे अंटिल वी गेट द सॉल्यूशन. ओके, मींस 50 साइज के एरे को फर्दर 25-25 में डिवाइड करेंगे, फिर देन अगेन 25-25 को फर्दर हाफ हाफ में डिवाइड करेंगे, एंड सिमिलरली. कब तक करेंगे? इफ नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज इफ सब प्रॉब्लम इज ऑलरेडी स्मॉल देन रिटर्न द सॉल्यूशन. सो इफ द सब प्रॉब्लम इज, है ना, ऑलरेडी स्मॉल मींस वन एलिमेंट इज देयर, what is the minimum size? Minimum size is one element. Okay, so one element itself is sorted. तो अगर एक ही एलिमेंट है एरे में तो वो सॉर्टेड है इटसेल्फ, है ना, तो देयर इज नो नीड. तो सब प्रॉब्लम अगर बहुत ही स्मॉल है, ऑलरेडी स्मॉल, देन रिटर्न द सॉल्यूशन. फाइनल स्टेप इज कंबाइन. डोंट वरी, आई विल एक्सप्लेन ईच एंड एवरीथिंग इन डेप्थ. सो थर्ड स्टेप इज कंबाइन. सो व्हाट इज कंबाइन? कंबाइन द सब प्रॉब्लम सॉल्यूशंस टू गेट द ओरिजिनल प्रॉब्लम सॉल्यूशन. ओके, सो फाइनली जो हमारे सब प्रॉब्लम्स के सॉल्यूशन आए हैं उनको हम कंबाइन करेंगे ताकि ओरिजिनल प्रॉब्लम का सॉल्यूशन, है ना, वी विल गेट द सॉल्यूशन फॉर द एक्चुअल प्रॉब्लम. So these are the three steps according to divide and conquer strategy, and this is the example we are taking to solve this. So 10, 65. So this is an array of what? 3, 3, 6 and 2, 8 elements. Okay, so the size of array is what? 8. So let us have a look. So this is nothing but size of array. So what is array? This is the algorithm. I will show you, don't worry. 10, 65, 50. So it is 10, 65, 50, then 27, 55, then 27, 55, then after that 56 and 86. So 56 and 86. Okay, so what are the indexes? So let us first draw it completely. So this is your given array. Okay, array of size what? 8. So it is the given array. Okay, now just draw the indexes. So these 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, like this, similar. Okay, so now what are the respective indexes? So just take it. Let us suppose index starts from 1 to, it may be from 0 if you are, है ना, actually implementing this particular algorithm. in some particular what in some particular programming languages like C and C++. So it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Okay, now I apply this particular algorithm. So it is merge sort. So merge sort starts from here and ends from ends till here. So this is the size of array. So A is array, this is the array, and this is the start index, and this is the last index. This is the last index of array. Okay, fine. So it is also divide and conquer strategy, means recursive program hoga. So firstly, mid is an element which is used to hold the middle index of the array. So what is the small problem? So this particular step is nothing but this step is called as what? Termination, okay, or initial condition. Initial condition. Okay, if I equals to j. So in our case, what is I is going to be 1 and j is going to be 8. So this is I and this is j. So 1 is not equal to 8, so else mein mid I plus j. So 1 plus 8 is 9, 9 divided by 2. So what is going to be the answer? 4.5. So ultimately 4 only, है ना, because we are taking floor function. Okay, so floor means minimum value. So 4 से डिवाइड होगा, so 2 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड होगा फाइनली, है ना. So what will be the division will be like this. So here two parts, 10 65 and 50 and what 20, and further this part also divides like this. So this is going to be your 7 and 55 and 56 and 86. Okay, so what are the indexes? So indexes are always what this is 1 2 3 and 4, and this is what 5 6 7 and 8. Okay, so in similar fashion, next is what, again merge sort कॉल करेंगे हम this step. So for I2 mid means इसके लिए mid हम again कॉल करेंगे. So this will split this particular thing into two halves. So what will be the two half? So this is like this 10 and 65, and this will be like this what 50 and 20. Again further इसको split करेंगे हम because it is a recursive program. So this will be splitted as like 10, and this will be splitted like as 65, and further this will also split, ये भी split होगा, divide होगा 50, and this is again this is 20. Okay, now this part okay fine. So after this what will be the resultant solution? So after that this part will be there. Okay, so if I equal to j, so in this case I equals to j, so 10 will be returned and 65 will be returned, and finally here 10 and 65. So let us change the color, then it is clearly visible. So this final result will be 10 and this final result will be 65. So after here what 10 and 65. Okay, here also it is 50 and it is what 20, and here also it is what, it is 20 and it is 50. So here what is going on? This merge procedure plays an important role. This is merging the two sorted list. So I will explain in next slide that how the merge procedure will actually work, है ना, किस तरीके से वर्क करेगा ये merge procedure. Okay, so merge procedure will always take two sorted list. Okay, so I will explain, don't worry. आफ्टर दिस व्हाट विल हैपन, इन दोनों को मर्ज करेंगे, ये दो सॉर्टेड लिस्ट है, तो 10 65 एंड 20 50, तो इनको जब मर्ज करेंगे तो फाइनली एक सॉर्टेड लिस्ट आएगी. सो व्हाट विल बी द सॉर्टेड लिस्ट? Sorted list will be like this, it is 10 and 20 and 50 and what 65. And similarly हम इस तरफ अगर this side if we divide according to the algorithm, so then what will be the resultant array like this. So इसमें होगा 7 and 55, and this part will be divided as 56 and 86, and finally again this will be divided like 7, and this will be 55, and here what will happen, this is 56, and this is what, 86. Observe very carefully. Okay, after this what will happen कि है ना, returning will be there always, है ना. So what will be the returning? So 7 I equals to j, yes of course, so simply return a, so the 7 will be returned, and here 55 will be returned, here 56 will be returned, and here 86. So on 7 and 55 merge procedure will work. So what will be the resultant? Merge procedure will sort these two sorted subarrays into a single array. So finally 7 comma 55, and finally here also merge procedure will work, 56 comma 86, and these two sorted subarrays 7 and 55. So this is one sorted subarray और ये अलग sorted subarray है 56 and 86. So finally इनका result क्या आएगा? So you will get it as 7 comma 55 comma 56 and comma 50. This is not 50, this is 86. So it is 86, and finally इनका result जो combine होगा that will be nothing but you will get what, you will get 10, not 10, it will be. So the final solution after this, so applying merge procedure on this, and also applying merge procedure on this sorted list. Okay, so I am writing downside. So finally you will get, so finally you will get what, like this. So merging, merge. So what will be the resultant? Resultant will be 7, then 10, then it is 20, then it is after that 50, 50, you know, of course 50. So 50, then 55, then 56, then 86. So this is what, this is the sorted array. So this is the sorted array. Okay, finally this is the sorted array. So I hope that these three steps are clear to you. पहले हमने यहाँ mid calculate किया, फिर merge sort again call किया first index to mid, और फिर again merge sort call किया mid plus 1 means next to mid से end तक, और फाइनली जो भी रिजल्टेंट आया आई मिड और जे उनको मैंने मर्ज में पास किया. तो जो मर्ज होगा वो क्या करेगा, दो सॉर्टेड लिस्ट हैं, सॉर्टेड एरे है, उनको सिंगल सॉर्टेड एरे में मर्ज करके दे देगा. ठीक है. सो नाउ वी विल सी हाउ दिस एक्चुअली गोइंग ऑन मर्ज प्रोसीजर. सो वर्किंग ऑफ मर्ज प्रोसीजर, सो लेट अस टेक टू लिस्ट, है ना. सो दिस आई एम टेकिंग टू लिस्ट. Let us suppose as an example, again I am taking four elements, so 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, and this side also I am taking 4 elements, so it is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, let us suppose 7, let us suppose this is not 7, let us take some different one. Okay, fine, it is 7, it is 86. Okay, it is 5, and it is 1, that is 20. Okay, and this is 86, already done. So this is 90, and this is 98, and this is what, this is going to be 30. Let us see. Okay, so these are two sorted lists. Okay, I think they are sorted, not sorted. This is wrong. So it is 1 and 5, 1 and 5, and this is sorted. Okay, so sorted array 1, and this is sorted array 2. Sorted array 2. Okay, so given two arrays given. So how we can say two arrays given? Given two sorted arrays. Given two sorted arrays. Okay. Finally, what we are taking? So we are taking one extra space of, so this is extra array, extra array of size equal to sum of both arrays. Okay, तो दोनों arrays के sum के equal हमने इसका size दिया. So what will be the size resultant? 8. So 1 2 3 4, and after that 5 6 7, and let us see this 8. Okay, now what will happen? Observe very carefully how the merge procedure is going to work. Okay, तो merge क्या क्या करेगा? पहले इन दोनों पे हम पॉइंटर सेट करेंगे और इन दोनों को कंपेयर करेंगे. जो भी इसमें स्मॉलर होगा उसको हम यहाँ पेस्ट कर देंगे. So 1 will be pasted. Okay, just move it. Next 5 and 7. Okay, 5 will be pasted. Okay, fine, just move it. Then 20 and 7. So 7 is smaller, yeah, of course 7 will be pasted. Then just move this pointer or this index. Then 86 and 20, yeah, 20 will be smaller, so just copy this 20 and move this particular pointer or say this index value. Then 30 and 86, so okay, fine, 30 will be pasted, so move this. Now one array is over, so copy the remaining elements of the second array, because it is, we know it is odd. So just copy all the elements. So this is uh, copy, copy, copying. So what will be the resultant? Resultant will be 86 and 90 and 90. So it is very much evident that we are taking extra space. So we are taking extra space in terms of, in terms of an array, in terms of an array. Okay, so we are taking extra space in terms of an array. And merge algorithm, how much time will the merge algorithm will take? So अगर ये n order of n elements का list है first, दूसरा भी n का है, तो maximum इसमें 2n और some way anyhow we are comparing n elements. So time complexity of merge algorithm. So what is the time complexity of merge algorithm? It is nothing but order of. So this is the time complexity of merge algorithm. Okay, so now let us analyze this particular algorithm. So how we can analyze? So the analysis of algorithm says that that else part. So this half element, because mid, so this will take how much time? So this will take, this will take t of n by 2 time. Okay, and this will also take t of n by 2 time, and this merge procedure will take order of n time. Okay, and this mid will also take some constant time. Okay, and original merge sort will have originally it is having n elements of usme, so time taken is what? T of n. So that is written over here, that let Tn be the time to find sorted array of n elements. So if n equals to 1 means only single element is there, so simply just returning over that element. So that's why it is C. Or otherwise n greater than 1, so it is 2 times, so means this number of subproblems, this 2 is what? 2 is number of subproblems that we are having, means 2 time merge sort we are calling for half and half, and this is for, this is for merge procedure, this is for merge procedure, and this is for, this is for 2, this is for merge sort time for 2 n by 2 elements. Okay, 2 n by 2 elements like this. So now solve this particular recurrence relation, so you will get the complexity of Merge-sort algorithm. So it is 2 times t of n by 2 and plus order of n. So by simply applying what you can simply apply over here what anything whatever you may wish. है ना? So let us suppose this we are solving with master's method. Okay, so what is the master's method? Says that let us suppose t of what n equals to a into t of n by b or plus some function f of n. Okay, so according to master's method, what will be the result? So according to the master's method, so n raised to the power log a base b. So what is if we apply this in our case? So n raised to the power log of a. So log of a is 2 and b is also 2. So finally we are getting what? N raised to the power 1. Okay, so this we are getting what? N raised to the power log 2 base 2, which is nothing but n, and it is also equal to f of n. Okay, and this is also equals what? Theta of n. This is also equal, let us write it as f of n. Okay, so therefore time complexity will be order of this result into log of, because if both are same, the function is polynomial function which is same to the calculated value, that is n raised to the power log a base b. So the result will be order of n log n. Okay, so finally we can say that the time complexity for merge sort algorithm is order of n log n. Okay, so this is using master's method. Okay, using master's method. So you can solve the same thing with the help of master's method as well as with the help of your substitution method, and also you can use what that particular recursive tree method. Okay, all the things are same, all the things will give you the exact solution, that is order of n log n. So finally what will be the time complexity? Order of n log n. Okay, now let us move ahead. Okay, some important points which we are supposed to keep in mind, okay, with respect to merge sort algorithm. So the very first point is that merge sort is applicable for larger size arrays, that is merge sort is not advisable for to apply for smaller size arrays. Okay, larger size arrays के लिए हम merge sort का use करते हैं rather than smaller size array. This is a key point and this will ask in many interviews or some many places, that if your array is having a larger size elements, then which is the preferable sorting technique? So that the answer will be merge sort algorithm. Okay, now the second point over here. So what is the second point? So the second point says like this: if any sorting technique is completed within the given array only, then this sorting technique, that sorting technique is called as in-place sorting technique. But this is not an in-place sorting technique. Why? Because हम merge procedure में एक separate array ले रहे हैं ना solve करने के लिए. So that's why merge sort is not in-place sorting technique, because we are because while what? Because while merging it is taking an array of size, that's why it is not, है ना? So we can say merge sort is not in place tag. Now one more important aspect related to sorting. So in the relative ordering, if the relative ordering of repeated element does not change before and after sorting, then that sorting technique is called what? Stable sorting technique. For example, let us suppose input must be like 10a, 10b, and then 7, and then let us suppose 8. So what will be the output in that case? The output will be here 7, 8, 10a and 10b. So this order, this particular order, Okay, this order and here this order. Okay, this is same, order is same before and after. Okay, before and after sorting, before and after sorting. Okay, that's why it is what, it is stable sorting technique. Okay, so merge sort is a stable sorting technique. If you apply, so then you will get the same order, 10a and 10b. 10a will be preceded by 10b. Okay, so before and after also. So merge sort is what, merge sort is what, stable sorting technique. So finally we can say that merge sort, okay, is not in place, not in place. And secondly, merge sort is what, stable, stable. Okay, not in place, but it is stable sort of technique. And what is the time complexity? So the time complexity is going to be order of n log n. So this is the time complexity of merge sort algorithm. So I hope that this is clear to you people. So this is a very simple concept, and this is the merge sort algorithm. Now let us solve one question which was asked in some previous year GATE examination. So question says that if one, this is the question, that if one uses two-way merge sort algorithm to arrange the following elements in ascending order, means ये given elements हैं, इन elements को ascending order में use, ascending order में sort करने के लिए हम two-way merge sort का use कर रहे हैं. So what is two-way merge sort? Means at a time हम कितने elements को sort करेंगे? Two elements को sort करेंगे. ठीक है, that is two-way. Three-way merge sort, at a time हम three elements को sort करेंगे. So then the order of these elements after second pass of the algorithm. So okay, let us observe very carefully. So what is the values? What are the values? 20 and 47, 15, 8, 9, 4. So it is 15, 8, 9, 4, and then 40, 30, then 40, 30, and then 12 and 70. Okay, so first pass. So first pass, what will be the answer? So let us solve this. So first pass, this two-way means these two will be categorized. So what will be the resultant? So resultant is 20 and 47. So finally these two. So the resultant will be 8 and 15. And these two. So the resultant will be 4 and 9. And these two. So the resultant will be 30 and 40. This is the first pass of merge sort algorithm. Okay, and after solving this, so the values are 12 and 70. Okay, what about the second pass? So let us also check second pass. Okay, so what will be the resultant after second pass? Let us check. So these two elements will be sorted. Okay, so what will be the resultant value? So it is 8, 15, 20 and 47. So 8, 15, 20 and 47. And after this, like this, so this will be what, 4, 9, 30, 40, 4, 9, 30 and 40, and this remains same because there is no other elements. So it is 12 and, so 12 and what, 12 and 70. So it is 12 and 70. Okay, so finally this is the second pass, and which option is matching correctly to this particular sequence? 8, 15, 20, 47, and 4, 9, 30, 40 and 12, 47. So this is completely, this is completely matching to, this is completely matching to this one, this option. That's why the correct option is this. This is incorrect and this is incorrect. Okay, so I hope that this merge sort algorithm is clear to you people. So ultimately we can say that merge sort is a very important sorting algorithm which comes under divide and conquer strategy. And merge sort uses merge procedure. Okay, merge procedure किस लिए use करता है? To sort out or to sort two sorted array, है ना, two already sorted array, merging of two already sorted array, merge procedure is used. And what is the time complexity of merge procedure or merge algorithm? So the time complexity of merge procedure or merge algorithm is order of n. Okay, so and the overall time complexity of merge sort algorithm is order of n log n, because the recurrence relation is t of n equals to 2 times t of n by 2 plus theta of n. Theta of n is for merge procedure. Okay, and few important aspects or important points related to merge sort is merge sort is only applicable for larger size inputs. Okay, because unnecessarily we are doing because in this particular if the list is already having minimum less elements, then we are doing a lot many work. Okay, for sorting that particular thing, because divide and conquer, do it again and again, recursive procedure. So it is only applicable and suitable for larger size input, and it is what not in place sorting technique, because we are taking extra space and in the merging procedure. Okay, and it is stable sorting technique, because before and after the repeated element of order of elements preserves. Okay, so these are the few important points, and also we saw the how passes will work in merge sort algorithm. So we already saw this particular question for solving that. So okay, finally we are at the end of this lecture, and if you are following this and learning from the same, then like, subscribe and share this particular channel with your learning community. And of course, if you are having any doubt, then please write in the comment box section of this video. So stay connected, stay tuned, happy learning to all of you, stay safe.